This is the Halo Canbus Immobiliser, which is a no wires cut security device. Goes in your vehicle and allows you to use a push sequence to start it. So someone gets the key, hops in and tries to start the vehicle up. As you see, it's not going to start. You just swipe, but the engine won't run. So for the customer, what they'll do is double press, get all their lights on, go through a code of their choosing. And if you watch the side lights, they'll flash when the code's complete. So go and flash, now we can start the vehicle. Foot on the brake, hold the start button, vehicle runs. When the customer leaves the vehicle, they'll turn it off, open the door, and you'll see we get a double flash. Now the system's on. So next time someone gets in the vehicle with a key, tries to start it up, not going to start, looking for the code. If the customer wants to place this in valet mode, take it back for a service, what they'll do, ignition on, pop their code in, and on the last press, we'll hold, keep it held for 10 to 15 seconds, and we'll get 5 flashes from the side light. We'll now let go, and it's in valet mode. So now we'll open the door, we won't get our flash, system's not active, it will start up without the code, just like a normal vehicle, and Mercedes will be able to service it, drive it around. When you get it back, it's the same process to turn it back on. So we'll pop the code in, so ignition on, pop the code in, hold on the last button, 15 seconds. When it comes out, we'll get 2 flashes. There we go, got our flashes and the system's back on. So now when we open the door, we get our flash, double flash, and it's active. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do is ignition on, go through the push sequence, get their double flash as usual. Now press the accelerator pedal 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 2 flashes. Then it's ready to learn the code. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the ignition off and we'll get a flash, confirming the code. Open and close the door to set the system. And now ignition on, do the new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, get our flash, and we can start. So this is the Halo Canbus Immobiliser, no wires cut vehicle security system, fitted by us at Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a 2018 Mercedes GLE. Thanks for watching.